Hello, my YouTube family. I welcome you back. This is a very pretty evening in the month of June. I hope wherever you are, you're enjoying your evening or your day, wherever, which part of the world you are, you're enjoying. And thank you for coming back to my channel and tuning in. I am actually bringing you some products that I bought from my Woodbury outlet shopping. I saw that there were views on my this video, and I wanted to share my haul from there. It's not a very big haul, but it is still a haul, I would say. And even those views that they were about 200 views, they matter actually a lot to me. I'm not a very big YouTube content creator, and I'm a doctor, I am a mother, I'm a housewife, I have a lot of jobs to fit into. In between that time, I make some videos for some products that I buy and share it with you guys. And whoever watched my video, thank you, and I appreciate you subscribing and joining in. So Sat Shri Akal, thank you for watching all my video. My name is Sonia. I welcome you back to my channel. And मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦਿਖਾਉਣ ਲੱਗੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਮੇਰੇ ਰੀਸੈਂਟ ਨਿਊਯਾਰਕ ਦੇ ਟ੍ਰਿਪ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਵੁੱਡਬਰੀ ਆਊਟਲੈਟ ਗਈ ਸੀਗੀ ਤੇ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਦੋ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਖਰੀਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਉਹ Now, I'm going to keep this video try to be more bilingual, but I'm going to first talk about my purchase from Antonio Marras. You might have seen a video of Antonio Marras on my channel, the store that I checked. It's one of the very good store in SOHo. If you're ever in SOHo, New York City, definitely check out their store. It's an Italian designer, but the craftsmanship of their work is actually very beautifully seen in their handbags, in their dresses, in their even sneaker collections and shoes and scarf. Now, I'm a very big fan of silk scarf. I work hard for whatever I do, and I try to treat myself for a little bit of money that I save with a piece of a luxury. Now, on my recent trip to New York City, bought this scarf from them. The good thing about Antonio Marras scarves is that all of their scarves, they have about 7 or 8 of them. They are all based on the theme wherever in the world, in which city their store is. For example, I think it's called Forta de Marmi. That's a place in Italy where their store is. So the one that I have is called the Torino. And you can see, I can show you how beautiful it looks. Again, it has the vibes and the prints from this town. I wish I ever can go to this town in Italy, but you can see how beautiful this is. It's like a fall green color with some maroons in it, with some prints of the castles here, but it's so pretty and just feels so nice to on your neck. Now, I am very fond of silk scarf, but I do have a scarf from Hermes. Don't get me wrong, but this one is actually 1/4 or even 1/6 the price of Hermes. So definitely check out. But these are very unique. They on when I recently went to them, they actually have a scarf based on the New York City that has like New York City, subway, the metro, and the tall skyscrapers on it. So it's very pretty. I did not got that. I like more the antique vibes into it, so that's why I got this one. But if you're ever in the lookout and you are looking for any kind of scarves, or especially the silk scarves in the budgeted version, definitely check Antonio Marras. Now let's move on to the next thing, which is my purchase from Jimmy Choo. In Punjabi, there is a very famous song, Tenu le dunga savere Jimmy Choo. Mainu ਇਹ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿੱਤਾ, ਮੈਂ ਆਪ ਲਿੱਤਾ ਹੈਗਾ. But on my recent trip to Woodbury outlet, this is what I got. The reason I have this box here is I just wanted to show you guys, and this is a real piece of a conversation I had witnessed in front of me. You see how generic their box is? When you go to the outlets, don't expect them to give you like the designer boxes and stuff. Your stuff is going to be half the price from the real designer stores. So don't expect them to give you like the authentic Jimmy Choo, the Jimmy Choo box. I have the Jimmy Choo from the 5th Avenue that I bought. It's a little bit of a small, it's like a medium size of a tote. And the box of that versus this one, night and day difference. This looks like a generic shipping box. ਸੋ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੋ ਨਾ ਤਾਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਆਊਟਲੈਟ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਨਾ ਪੁੱਛੋ ਵੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜਿਮੀ ਚੂ ਦਾ ਬਾਕਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲਿਆ। That's not a problem because these are outlets. They are just made to sell you stuff at half of their prices, and one of the ways to reduce the cost is to give you boxes like that are generic looking. Now, I have actually seen a woman, I have witnessed a conversation in Versace where a woman was literally having a fight with the sales representatives in the store because she wanted a real Versace the box, and the sales representative, oh my god, bless her heart, she was having such a tough time with this conversation. And apparently this woman was on the phone with somebody else, and she was telling them that I did not even got the real I did not even got the designer box that comes with the handbag or whatever she bought. But there were other people that were explaining her why that happens. So be very open about this. I do not mind. There are tons of boxes already in my warehouse, in my wardrobe, not warehouse nahi hai mere ko, in my wardrobe. So I don't want more of them. Actually, less is better. But this does come in the generic, this bag. It's not, I would not call this as a dust bag because the dust bag is separate. But let's keep this on the side. Moving on to the bag. Now the one that I got is called Avenue. This is a real find. If you have seen my Woodbury outlet video, you guys might have noticed this bag. This was in the color like cream, black, and ever so my favorite, gold. My name, मेरा नाम है Sonia. It actually in Punjabi means somebody who is either gold color या सोने वर्गी या something. My grandfather gave it to me. It's very dear to me, my name, and मैंने इसलिए शायद gold वाले color ज़्यादा पसंद है. But anyways, moving on to the bag. This is called the Avenue. Okay, I haven't even opened it. You guys can see. Of course, this is the mini version of the Avenue. The newer version of the Avenue actually is probably there. It is quilted, but the logo is much more smaller, and it looks a little bit different. Now this Avenue has the big logo on here, and of course their standard craftsmanship with the straps. Let's keep this side, and you can see the inside of it. Under the paper, and you can see how huge it is. I bought it because there are a lot of occasions where I go. I think with the gold or the silver color, they are so unique that you can dress them up or dress them down, whatever you want to do with them. And that's the reason I got it. I go to certain occasions, certain times. My outfit is not that marvelous, and I want to carry a handbag that can make me look that oomph. So that's where the gold or the silver comes. But I really love the color and the tone of it. It has the crossbody strap. I haven't taken it out, but interior you have already seen it. The back of it is again quilted. Now looking at the price of the Avenue in store versus the outlet, this I would say was about $300 to $400 cheaper. You guys are smart enough. Please Google its price, what the price of it is in the store versus what the price of it is in outlet. I actually really liked it. So whatever you like, whatever suits you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for staying with me and watching this video till the end. I will continue to bring on the things that I love to share with you all, and thanks. I cannot thank you enough for watching me. Definitely subscribe, recommend it to your friends, and once again I'm going to repeat this in Punjabi. Thank you ਮੈਨੂੰ watch ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ, ਤੇ thank you ਇੱਥੇ ਤੱਕ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇਖਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ. ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੀ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਪਸੰਦ ਆ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਆਪਣੀ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਨੂੰ, ਆਪਣੀ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ ਨੂੰ, ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਹੋਰ ਭੈਣਾਂ ਨੂੰ, ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਸਹੇਲੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਇਹ ਰეკਮੈਂਡ ਕਰਿਓ. ਐਂਡ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਅੱਛਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਵਾਚ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰੋਗੇ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਿਆਰ ਦੋਗੇ. I hope to see you in my next video, and stay tuned till then. Bye.